Today, I'll walk you through how to edit text on WordPress pages and posts with Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to modify your content so you can enhance your website's appeal and clarity. Let's dive right in. First, open your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by navigating to your website and adding /wp-admin at the end of your URL. This is your control center for managing your site. It's where all the magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option labeled All Posts on the left-hand menu. Click on that. This will take you to a list of all the posts you've created. Here, you can find the specific post you want to edit. Now, locate the post you wish to modify and click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize your content. Visually, think of it as a canvas where you can paint your ideas. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll see your post displayed on the screen. To edit the text, simply click on the text box you want to change. A panel will appear on the left side where you can modify the content. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Elementor updates frequently, but the core functions remain the same. After you've made your changes, it's essential to save your work. Look for the Save Draft button at the bottom of the panel. Clicking this will ensure that your edits are stored safely. Think of it as saving your progress in a video game. And there you have it. You've successfully edited text on your WordPress pages and posts using Elementor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different text styles and layouts. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.